you also get confused when it comes to the moisturizer, that what kind of moisturizer you should choose for your skin type? So this video is for you, so don't miss the any part of this video and watch this video till the end. Hi, I'm Amrita and I do post videos related to makeup, skincare, fashion and sometimes vlogs as well. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you about the best moisturizer that I have personally tried on myself. So let's start the video. Before, if you're seeing my face for the first time, you should subscribe my channel to see my more videos. And in the end of the video, if you like my video, do like and comment as well. So let's start the video. So let's start with the most affordable moisturizer with us, and here I have this Johnson's Baby moisturizer. This retails for 88 rupees, and in 88 rupees you just get this 100 ml bottle. Let me show you. This moisturizer is good for combination or a oily skin the kind of people, and also normal skin kind of people can also use this moisturizer. This hydrates my skin so nicely, you guys can see it. I use this moisturizer on my daily basis. I can use this moisturizer for my makeup base and other thing. This is just a normal daily moisturizer. And also I use this moisturizer in summers, because in winter I need a heavy or a thick kind of moisturizer, so I can't use this moisturizer in winters because it's so light. This is not so heavy, it's not so light, just a normal good moisturizer for every day. Next, I have this Biotic Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Moisturizing Cream, and it retails for 99 rupees. And in 99 rupees, you get this 50 gram of tub. The brand Biotic says that this is the Ayurvedic recipe with 100% of botanical extract. That means this is the Ayurvedic product, and you can't use this moisturizer for your base of your makeup, because you can't use this for your makeup base. And this product says that this is for all skin type, but according to me this is not for all skin type, because it's a winter cream, and also good for a dry skin type of people because it's little heavy. So let me show you how it looks like. Wait a second. Why it's not opening? Yeah, it's open. And you guys can see I have almost finished the whole tub. You guys can see it. Let me show you the hydration. Can you see it? Okay, one thing I have heard from few of the people, that people say we should not use any moisturizer or a cream on their face as they have oily skin, and if they use any moisturizer or a cream on their face, it feels little sticky or heavy on their face. So let me clear one thing, that this is a myth, this is not right. Whatever the skin type you have, oily, combination, dry, normal, whatever the skin type you have to use moisturizer on your daily basis, because it's necessary for your skin. It's necessary for your skin health. It is just similar as we hydrate our body by drinking water. We need to hydrate our skin by applying moisturizer. Moisturizer work as the food for your healthy skin. So if you're not using moisturizer on your daily basis or yet, so please start using moisturizers. It's really necessary, and your skin really need moisturizer, so start using moisturizer if you're not using it. The next product I have is this from Khadi Natural. This is the herbal moisturizer with sandalwood and the kesar. This product retails for 150 rupees, and in 150 rupees you get this 210 ml bottle, which is such a good deal according to me. And this is the herbal product, so we can't use this for our makeup base. And this product says that this is for all skin type, but according to me this is not for all skin type, because I have used this product and in summers it feels little sticky on my face, but in winter this works so well for my skin. Let me show you the product. You can see how liquid it is. This is the winter, and it hydrates my skin so nicely. You guys can see it. I suggest you to use this moisturizer in winters. Oily skin kind of people, you should not use this moisturizer in summers, because it might feel little sticky on your face. But this is really good for dry skin type or a normal skin type people in summers. Winters में वैसे भी अच्छा ही काम कर रहा है. You can see the hydration. The next moisturizer I have is this from Pond's Light Moisturizer for soft and glowing skin. This product retails for 199 rupees, and in 199 rupees you get this 148 gram of tub. You can say 150 ml. This product says that it has vitamin E and glycerin in it, which is the best part of this product, because we should use product which has vitamin E and glycerin, because these both product work so well for our skin. Let me show you the product. This is how it looks like. One thing I want to tell, combination skin type of people, this product is for you, because this moisturizer is really good for combination skin type people, because this is not so heavy, not so light, and give you soft and glowing skin. Let me show you the product. Wait a second. I just massage this product in my fingers and apply on my skin. Wait a second. You can see the glow. It gives an instant glow and shine to my skin and feels so soft on my skin. Look. And after applying this moisturizer, I used to massage my skin like this in the upwards direction to give the shape to my skin. And you should massage your face after applying moisturizer. And you can see the instant difference on my face after applying this moisturizer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. And you can see the glow and hydration on my skin and hair. I just love my skin. The another moisturizer I have is this Nivea Soft Moisturizer, which is such a good moisturizer. This product retails for something 300 rupees. Actually, I didn't remember the price. We'll mention the price in that screen so you guys can check. And the product quantity is 200 ml, which is such a good quantity according to me. And let me show you the product. And one more good news for combination skin type of people, this product is for you, because this product is not so light, not so heavy, good for every skin type of people, dry, normal, sensitive, oily combination. Every skin type of people can use this product. Let me show you the product. You can see this is little similar to the Pond's moisturizer. You can see the hydration, but the Pond's one will give you the little glow to your skin, and this will hydrate your skin so nicely. Let me show you the product on my skin. Ooh, such a good moisturizer it is. Can you see the hydration? Love it. This is little similar to the Pond's one, but it's hydrate my skin more better, and the Pond's one give me the little glow. Yeah, this is how the products look like. So the next moisturizer I have is this from Lotus. Lotus, the white glow. The product is for skin whitening and brightening, nourishing. The product retails for 410 rupees. Yeah, 410 rupees. And in 410 rupees, you get the 60 gram of tub. I personally like the packaging, and it gives a good result when I woke up in the next morning, because I use this product in my nighttime skincare routine, because basically it's a night cream and give you the good results. So let me show you the product. This is how it looks like. The smell is so nice. Let me show you the product. I personally suggest you to use this product, because I have seen the product, I have seen the results of this product and give me the perfect results. And let me show you the product. So subtle, shiny and glowy, and give me a good hydration. Let me show you the product on my face. So this is how the product looks like on my face. Instantly nourish my skin. Yeah. I personally suggest you to use this product in your nighttime skincare routine. You will love the result. Trust me, you will love the results. Let me help you guys to choose the right moisturizer according to your skin type. So let's come to the dry skin type of people. I will personally suggest you to choose a moisturizer that give you a high hydration, basically a heavy kind of moisture that will nourish and hydrate your skin deeply, because you have already dry skin and you need to hydrate your skin even more. So choose a moisturizer with a heavy consistency that moisturize even more and nicely. Let's come to the combination skin type of people. I will suggest you to choose a moisturizer that is not too light, not too heavy, like the Pond's Light Moisturizer. This is such a good moisturizer for you. Give a try to this moisturizer. It will not feel so heavy and not feel so light to your skin and perfectly fit to your skin. Let's talk about the oily skin type of people. I will personally suggest you to choose a moisturizer which is gel based and a water based kind of moisturizer, because you have a oily skin and you need a light kind of moisturizer which doesn't feel heavy to your skin, like aloe vera kind of moisturizer or the face shop kind of moisturizer, because this is such a good moisturizer for your skin type. Let's talk about the normal skin type of people. You need not to use heavy kind of moisturizer or a not too light. You can use light moisturizer but not too heavy, because you have a normal skin. You can use the Pond's one or the Johnson's baby moisturizer. You can try that moisturizer. Let's talk about the sensitive skin kind of people. I will personally suggest you to use the moisturizer, the herbal moisturizer, or you should check the ingredients before using any product or any moisturizer, because you have sensitive skin and you should check the ingredients before using any product. The next moisturizer is from the Faces Canada Urban Glow, and the last moisturizer is this Face Shop Calendula moisturizer. Let's talk about the Faces Canada first. So the Faces Canada Urban Glow Moisturizer says that this is a skin brightening day cream. So basically this is a day cream that reduces your dark spots and preserves skin youth. The main ingredient of this product is cranberry seed oil and the gooseberry. And also this product gives you this SPF of 20 with UV filter, which is a good part of this cream. The product retails for 999, and let me show you the product. This is how it looks like, and I personally like the packaging. I only use this product when I do my makeup. I mean, this cream is good for the base of your makeup, so I only use this cream for the base of my makeup. Let me show you the product. I will use only little amount on my skin, and I will only apply on the half part of my skin, and the other half I will use another moisturizer so you can see the difference. Let me show you the product. And you can see the instant shine and hydration on my skin. Can you see it? Can you see the shine, instant shine and glow on my skin? And here you can see the dryness all over my face. And here you can see the shine, instant shine. This is how the product works. That's why I like to use this product for the base of my makeup, because it gives the instant shine and gives the good base to my makeup. And this is how the products look like, and I love the product. I personally love it. So let me introduce the last moisturizer of this video. It is the Face Shop moisturizer. This is the Calendula Essential Moisture Emulsion. And जितना बड़ा नाम इसका. This product retails for 1200 rupees or something, 1200 rupees, and the quantity of this product is 150 ml. The packaging is so nice because this is a glass bottle, and I personally like the packaging. Let me show you the product. The smell is so nice, so nice. Let me show you the product. This is the product. This is so light and so hydrating. You can see this is a water based moisturizer. Trust me, this is so light, so hydrating, because it is a water based moisturizer. You can see the hydration on my skin. Can you see this? Love hydration देख रहे हैं आप? I love this moisturizer because this is a water based moisturizer and really good for the oily skin type of people. Let me use this moisturizer on the other half of my face. Can you see the hydration on my skin? This is so nice because it's a water based. I mean, so nice. This is how the product looks on my face. This is so light and good for summer, winter, and every season. This is little heavy because it works for the base of my makeup, and this is so hydrating. So hydrating. Love the product. Can you see this? I I just love my skin. So this is all about all the products and all the moisturizer I have used in this video.